morning, guys. September 26, 2023. This one here, I got a call for winterizing that little cottage that I do every year. So it's got like she got like a main house, and she got a little cottage on the side, and she usually leaves the main house with the water on, but the cottage has no foundation, so it's just up on stilts type of thing. So it's got to be winterized or freeze. So I usually just put a compressor down in the basement, shut the water off, and blow all the lines out with a compressor with air, and then I winterize the traps. I do it every year. I've been doing it for years. I'm sure I might have some videos on it already. Anyway, we'll get you some shots if I can. Valve off over there, and this goes down to a cottage. I got that valve open. I'm putting pressure in. I'm putting pressure in to winterize the cottage, blow the line out. Alright, I got the electric water heater. I'm gonna shut that off. That's the water heater's here. And then all the baseboard heat we're going to shut off, all the 220. Hot water's here, that's what we got to really be concerned about. Water heater here, we'll do this first. Get the power off to it. I'm just going to open that drain on the bottom and dump this tank. My stuff here, dump the tank out first. I'm doing this one every year. It just dumps in a crawl space underneath. It's not even a full cellar, it's up on stilts, so it's just dumping on the ground outside. Doesn't even have a basement, it's just up on stilts. You can see right under the whole house. Give that view of how you're doing. All the air is going to push the water out. The air from inside the other house is being pushed in through the cold, and it's pushing out all the water out the drain. Once this thing gets empty, I can shut it off, fill this with air, then we can go around and purge all the lines out with the air. In the meantime, I'll probably work on pumping the toilet out. Got my pump here. Pump the toilet out. We got a sink. We got a sink, a shower, and a toilet. We got an outside faucet and an outside shower we got to do also. Pump it out with the pump, get the water out of it. Pump, and I pumped all it into a bucket. And I dumped the toilet out. And I dumped out the tank too. So I mean, I'll put some in there, but no one's here, no one's using the place, so. I did shut the refrigerator off too, huh? Well, no sense in leaving that. No sense in leaving that on all winter. leaker. There's a leaker, man. There's lines that run under all the way to the outside shower on the other side, so get all the water out of the risers here, then we'll get all the water out on the other end where the shower is. This has all been. I'm just gonna open this up, blow the line out. The shower here. Ooh. Something's been leaking. Soap or something. Soap's been dripping down. The old, how you doing, Mama? Kind of weird. We're gonna do that outside shower next. And then we'll open everything up. Got an outside faucet here too. We gotta do this one. There ain't nothing in it. Outside unit from hell. We got a couple of drains here. Once we get all the water out, we could just open up these two low drains and leave them open. Yeah. There we go. Starts giving the old spitteroo. All these lines run over underneath to here, and this is the low point. And we could open up everything inside, and everything will drain back. If anything leaks, it's all accessible underneath. It's just all open. Look at that, the old how you doing there. The leaker. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna open this, open that, and open this. Leave it open. Slip in there and just leave that shit loose. I can go shut the pump off on the other side. They're all gonna drain out. Now open all the faucets up inside, and everything will be drained. I go pull my pump off, shut my pump off in the basement. We'll get that out of there. Just leave everything open. We're gonna go shut the pump off in the basement. I'm just gonna leave this open too, but it's gonna be open all winter. The unit I shut off in the basement should be another unit that's off in the basement. Leave these open. Open these up. And just dumps it. I should loosen this up too. Just a little bit. So if there's any water in there, it'll come out. Leave all this shit open for now. Just a little loose, little loosey-goosey there, mama. Just so it's not gonna be fine. I'm gonna leave them two there open. I got it off in the basement, so. Just gotta add the antifreeze and I'll be done. Alright, I got this antifreeze RV stuff for a little bit of traps. It'll stop the traps from freezing. Shower. I left everything open, all the valves are open. And a little on the shitter. Put a little bit of toilet there. This should evaporate, but I could put some in there too, so it don't freeze. It will evaporate by the time it starts getting cold out.